Hey guys, I wanted to really quickly show you this glitch on Final Reich that was just found by Silent9, Fearless 14K, and Jay Stone. We've been seeing these wall breaches show up where you can just like jump into a building. There's a really good one around the pub area where you just like jump near the ramp and it shoots you upstairs in the second floor of the pub. Well, this one's kind of like that. You do need 2 people for this to make it easier. I was able to do it on solo. It was tough, but I'll show you how it was done. So you just need one person to stand kind of, at an angle from that corner of that building about a foot away, and then all you have to do is walk up to that building. You're going to find a little 90-degree angle that you can stop at. You back up and then jump forward, and it should put you in this room really easily. I'll show you what it looks like from the person helping someone get into the room. There's kind of a dark spot on the snow right here. This person's not looking down, but you can see that they're kind of angled from the corner of that building and not standing up next to it. They're about a foot away. I do personally find this glitch really easy to do, and I'm able to get it the first time every try, so most likely it'll be pretty easy for everyone. Same rules apply in this room as it does above the pub. You're in God mode in this area. The zombies do not attack you, but it can be tricky, trying to get the zombies to actually spawn in there. They kind of get stuck outside, so you have to move around the room to get them to come in. I'll show you guys what I did to get into this solo, and I was only able to do this a couple of times. It was very, very tricky. You have to have shell shock on, and then you have to freeze the zombies in a very specific position so that, it allows you to go into the wall. Once you do get them into the right position, it can take several jumps to try to get into the wall. I don't know why that is, but it is much more difficult to try to do this on solo, and I probably wouldn't recommend it. Once you are in here, you can actually get out. And I don't have footage of that, but Jay Stone does have footage on his YouTube channel, so I'll have that linked down in the description, but I'll show you basically what he did. So if you go to the front of the building into this window right here, you're able to jump up, and you want to jump up and then crouch and then move all the way to the left and then down yourself and keep pushing forward. And I believe the way that you get out is that you need to have someone inside the room with you to revive you. If you do a self-revive or someone revives you from the outside, it will not let you through this window. Again, he's got footage on his YouTube channel, and he's being revived from a player from inside the room that got in there with him. So I think that's what's making the difference. But I thought this was kind of fun and interesting, and I wanted to show you guys, but I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.